Most people think running on a treadmill is the fastest way to lose fat. What if I told you there are 5 dumbbell exercises that can burn even more calories while building muscle at the same time? Today, I'll show you these powerful full-body exercises that can transform your workouts and help you burn fat faster.
Let's get started. Exercise 1. Dumbbell thruster. The first exercise is the dumbbell thruster. Hold 2 dumbbells at shoulder level, squat down, then explode upward and press the dumbbells overhead. This single movement targets your quads, glutes, core, shoulders, triceps. Because your entire body is working together, your heart rate rises quickly, making it an excellent fat-burning exercise. Recommended 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Renegade row. Next is the renegade row. Start in a push-up position while holding 2 dumbbells. Row 1 dumbbell toward your waist. Lower it, then repeat with the other arm. This exercise strengthens your back, core, chest, shoulders, biceps. Your core must stay tight to prevent your body from rotating, making this movement highly effective. Recommended 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps per side.
Exercise 3. Dumbbell swing. The third exercise is the dumbbell swing. Hold 1 heavy dumbbell with both hands and drive it forward using your hips. Remember, the power should come from your hips, not your arms. This explosive movement targets your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core while significantly increasing calorie burn. Recommended 4 to 5 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Exercise 4. Reverse lunge to curl to press. This is a combination of 3 movements. Step back into a reverse lunge. As you stand up, perform a bicep curl, then immediately press the dumbbells overhead. With no rest between movements, this exercise keeps your muscles under constant tension and elevates your heart rate. Recommended 3 sets of 8 reps per side. Exercise 5. Dumbbell man maker. Last but definitely not least, the dumbbell man maker. This movement combines push-up, renegade row, squat, dumbbell clean, overhead press. It challenges nearly every major muscle group in your body, making it one of the most demanding fat-burning exercises you can perform. Start with light weights and focus on proper form. Recommended 3 sets of 5 reps.
Why do these exercises burn more fat? These are compound movements that recruit multiple muscle groups at once. As a result, your body uses more energy, your heart rate stays elevated, and you continue burning calories even after your workout ends. This is commonly known as the afterburn effect. Unlike traditional cardio, these exercises also help build muscle, which increases your resting metabolism over time.